Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sushi, not just the perfect recipe, but also its incredible health benefits. So, grab your chopsticks and let's roll into today's delicious journey. But before starting the video, do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet and hit that bell icon to receive every video notification. Alright, folks, let's start with the basics. Sushi, a traditional Japanese dish, is not just a treat for your taste buds. It also offers a plethora of health benefits. Did you know sushi is low in calories and high in essential nutrients? To make the perfect sushi, you'll need fresh fish, vinegared rice, seaweed sheets, and an assortment of colorful vegetables. First, let's talk about the rice. The key to a great sushi roll is perfectly seasoned, sticky rice. Remember, it's not just about cooking the rice. It's about seasoning it with a blend of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This gives your sushi that authentic taste. Next, the fish. Whether you prefer salmon, tuna, or shrimp, the key is freshness. Look for vibrant colors, a clean ocean scent, and, if possible, sashimi-grade fish. Precise slicing is an art. You want thin, even pieces for that satisfying bite. Now, let's assemble our sushi. Place a sheet of seaweed on your rolling mat, dampen your hands to handle the rice easily, and spread a thin layer over the seaweed. Leave a small border at the top, it'll help seal the roll. Here's where creativity kicks in. Arrange your favorite fillings along the bottom edge of the rice. Avocado, cucumber, and colorful bell peppers not only add crunch but also a burst of flavors. Rolling sushi is an art that requires a gentle touch. Using the mat, roll the sushi tightly from the bottom, pressing gently to seal the edge. There you go, a perfect sushi roll. Now, let's talk health benefits. Firstly, sushi is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, thanks to the fish. These fatty acids are excellent for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. Plus, they give your skin that healthy glow. When you combine fish with veggies like avocado and cucumber, you're adding essential vitamins and minerals. Avocado, for instance, is loaded with potassium and fiber, great for maintaining blood pressure and aiding digestion. And let's not forget the seaweed. It's packed with iodine, which supports your thyroid gland. A well-functioning thyroid is crucial for your metabolism. That's delicious. The combination of flavors and textures in sushi is just perfect. Plus, the wasabi and ginger not only add a zing but also have antimicrobial properties, keeping your immune system strong. So, there you have it, the perfect recipe for sushi and a sneak peek into its incredible health benefits. Whether you're a sushi enthusiast or a newcomer, remember, enjoying this dish isn't just a delight for your taste buds, it's a boost for your overall well-being. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, if you try making sushi at home, let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating and stay healthy.